Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about 4 important health parameters which are really essential for almost everyone, but all the women need to be little more careful for these parameters and make sure that they have these parameters within the normal limits. Now yes, they are important for all, but if women are in the childbearing age and they are planning to conceive, or if they are expecting, these 4 parameters they even become more important. So let's quickly look at what are these parameters and how you can maintain them in the normal ranges. Okay, so talking about our first parameter, which is your BMI, which is also called as body mass index. Now BMI is a simple term and it can easily be calculated. Now you need 2 things to calculate that. One will be your current weight and another thing will be your height. Now your height should be measured in meters and your weight should be in kgs or kilograms. Now there is a formula, this one, and with this formula you have to put your weight and height in this formula and calculate your BMI accordingly. Now the normal ranges of BMI, they vary between 18.5 to around 24. But for Indians, the ranges are from 18.5 to 22.9. So make sure that your BMI lies between this range. Now of the 2 things which make up your BMI, that is weight and height. Now height is something which is constant, you cannot change it, but yes, it is the weight which you can modify. So it is a modifiable factor. If you have your BMI beyond this range or it is above the 22.9 range, then you are put in the overweight or obese category. Now since you can modify your weight accordingly, you can adjust your BMI so that it lies in the normal range. Now there are various studies which show that if somebody is having overweight or is obese, then the chances of them developing diabetes, gestation diabetes or hypertension or BP in future, it increases drastically. Check out your BMI today itself and make sure that you are able to maintain it within the normal ranges which are identified for the Indian population. Also, it is not always about having excess weight. Even if you're having less weight and your BMI is below the normal ranges, then also you need to gain weight in order to have your BMI within the normal limits. So having less amount of weight or having excess weight, in either case it is not good for you and for your baby. The second important health parameter that needs to be measured is your hemoglobin levels. Now your hemoglobin for females should be in the range of 12 to 16 grams per deciliter. If it is less than 12, then you might be having iron deficiency, and if it is below 10.5, then it is full-blown anemia. Now some of the symptoms of anemia are like having frequent headaches or difficulty in sleeping. Pale skin is one of the commonest things. Also fatigued or tired all the time, having shortness of breath, at times even feeling dizzy, and having difficulty in concentration. In order to maintain your hemoglobin in normal ranges, you need to have 2 things. First, you need to have iron, that can be in the form of supplements or you can have it in the dietary form, and you need to have folic acid as well. Now both the things are quite important. Iron is required to maintain your normal HB levels. Now folic acid is a kind of vitamin B and body requires this for the development of new cells. And this is especially important during this time when the cells are dividing and growing rapidly. So folic acid is essential during the first few months of pregnancy, and along with it iron is given so that your HB levels are maintained within the normal ranges. Now good sources of iron should be taken with enhancers that increases the absorption of iron. Now iron is not easily absorbed in the body and you need to take certain enhancers which enhance the absorption of iron. And these enhancers can be like vitamin C or ascorbic acid, and even meat and fish for people who like to have non-veg. Tea, coffee and calcium, they are like the inhibitors of iron absorption, so make sure that these things are not taken around the time that you're trying to take your iron supplements or you're having something which is rich in iron, because these things are going to prevent or inhibit the absorption of iron. Talking about a third parameter, it is the calcium levels that you always need to check for. Now, maintaining normal calcium levels is essential for you because our body requires calcium to maintain healthy bones and teeth. It is also essential for proper conduction of nerves. It maintains the heart health or does the contractility of the heart, and also is required for proper functioning of the muscles. It also plays a very important role in clotting of the blood. And now the fourth point, which is like really important, is maintaining a normal physical fitness level throughout your pregnancy. Now, ideally it is recommended for females that they should have around 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise in a week. Now, some of the activities which are safe during pregnancy are like swimming, walking, maybe riding a stationary bicycle, doing some simple yoga and low impact aerobic classes, and some strength training as well, only up to the level that you can easily bear and do it. And this kind of activity or physical fitness is essential to prevent various kinds of conditions like heart diseases, diabetes, stroke, and certain cancers as well. So do maintain a normal physical activity level. If you are not engaged in any kind of moderate or vigorous activities, then even walking 30 minutes a day is all that you require, and it is a must. You cannot be going below this level. That is 30 minutes of daily walking is very essential if you cannot do any other form of activity. And you can also break down this 30 minutes of walking into 2 parts for 15 minutes each, maybe in the morning or evening or wherever you find time to walk. So it is essential to walk at least 30 minutes per day for every woman out there. So that's it in today's video. If you like our video, then please like it, share it with someone who might find it useful, and do subscribe our channel for weekly informative videos. Till then, be safe, be happy, and we'll see you soon in our next video.